you can use our front-end environment Cirrus to manage your assets. In this video, we'll talk about pairing your asset to a tag and how to view and edit an asset. To pair a tag to an asset, first go to the menu bar and then to Commission. Tap Create Asset. Here we will make a dolly with the name GSEtrack. There is a pre-configured list of standard assets, or you can configure your own list. Tap Next and then you can enter your tag number. Great, we found the tag and now we can pair the asset and tag together. This is now viewable for anyone with the privileges to see it within your system. To view and edit an asset, we can find it in different ways. Here we are going to use the filter. Once we have found our asset, we can see information about it, like its position, sensor information, and when it was last updated. We can set flags about the asset, like mark as defect. And we can edit the asset information and add last and next maintenance dates. All of these fields are configurable, so we can adapt Cirrus to fit your user case.